Learn how to compare products in the Festo online shop and identify differences. Log in to the Festo website. Navigate to the desired product category or to the desired products. Within a product category, you can select the products to be compared on the left-hand side. The article comparison, including the products in it, is displayed on the right-hand side. It is also possible to select the products for comparison on the product detail page. As soon as all the desired products have been selected, you can click on the article comparison. Here you have the option of highlighting identical and different parameters to simplify the comparison. A download of the parameters is also available. Finally, you can add the desired product to the shopping cart and process it into a quotation or order.